Welcome everyone. The conclusion of my first Star Wars week. Got Boba Fett's ship. Back in the day we called it the Slave One. I don't think they do anymore. That's fine by me. I don't get in a twist about stuff like that. It's dirty and I don't know how much of it's going to be washable or cleanable, but I'm going to give it the usual try. I didn't think it was complete until I found it and it didn't have the ramp over here. But then I looked in the bottom of the chest that I had it in, and lo and behold, there was the ramp. Okay, so that's some like real plastic discoloration on those pieces. And well, you know, it looks like it's trying to clean off a little bit there, but I don't think it's. Whoops. Stay. Had to get some glue out for that one. Yep. Okay. Yeah, they're 40-something-year-old stickers, so I guess that's to be expected. Surprised more of them hadn't fallen off over the years. Clean this side of the windshield. I saved. Let's see. I say this one. I don't think this was like a super high dollar. I think I'm pretty sure I got it for. I'm pretty sure it was my birthday I got this one for, because I remember that my brother put on the stickers for me, because he was and still is. Oh, lost another one. So did you hit that one? And he was and still is a very meticulous person, and if you had stickers on something, he was the one you wanted to put them on, because they were going to be on good and straight, and you can see, for the most part, they are really. He wasn't that much older than me. I don't know what that stuff is, but I'm going to need to wipe it off. Some kind of mold or fungus or something growing down here. It is coming off, so that's good. It seems like, yeah, I'll do a better job of cleaning that. I'm going to have to get something for that. That doesn't look like just regular discoloration. Okay, spin this around to get a cleaner spot. And it's used to, yeah, still pops out, so maybe then cleaning the inside of it will be. That used to be, and you can see down in there the mechanism to. That windshield is just, it's just fuzzy. It's not gonna. I don't think there's much too cleaning to be done. But anyway, you can see the mechanism in there. And it's got a brake here, so you'll keep them in place when you rotate them and rotate them backwards as you're flying it around. His pilot seat does that deal, and it drops out. And I'll show you how you load him in normally. Get you back in place. So okay, and this side compartment opens. It's more this. This is more of a plastic, a rubberized plastic, so it's not as. This feels like it's going to break. This is still fairly flexible, so I'm not that. But let's see. I've decided this is where I'm going to store my faded Boba Fett, because it's a tinted window, so it's not going to show the fading as bad. And it did have the pilot seat is recessed, so you can put him in there with his backpack. Get an angle on there. It goes down in there. He just clips in. And he actually lays fairly flat on the seat. Put his arms up to where it looks like he's doing something. I can't reach his arms. Old man hands are too not nimble enough anymore. Okay. Yeah. But and you just flip him up to flight position. This is the ramp, and it sort of slides down like that to look like the, it slides out like that, and so it looks like it was in Cloud City when they loaded the that. Honestly, I thought it slid in there like smoothly. I thought it locked in place there. I was also surprised I still had the carbonite Han Solo thing. Anyways, and then it closes it back up and locks in place. Side panel back upside down. No, that's right. Panel in place. Maybe put all the notches in. Yeah, I missed Han. Supposed to right outside there, yeah. Now lock all the. But anyway, seems like this had more of a click. It's still got some. I think there's something in there that's broken, because it seems like it used to be more of a clicky click when you moved it around. Let's see, we got his. Let's see, he does look okay in there, the faded one. So I think that's where he's gonna live. Here's going to show you the handle on it, so you could fly it. Like that top part there is the brake I was talking about. Keep the wings up, or let them. And they're a little. They would. Hard to show with this camera angle, but yeah, they. But anyway, that's the Boba Fett ship / Slave One. I had fun with it, even though it wasn't an X-wing, but it was still pretty cool to me. And of course, because everybody loved Boba Fett, even though we didn't know anything about him back then, other than he was just a bounty hunter. All right, folks, I'm going to cut her off there. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because it's going to keep going. I've got at least 1 or 2 more vehicle / playsets that are complete enough to show off on here. So, just a heads up for future reference. Thanks for watching, folks. Bye.